Alright, welcome back everybody. If you've been following my Instagram, you know I recently picked up a Stihl RE90 pressure washer. It's 120 volt electric. I just needed it to wash a car every once in a while, clean off the siding on the house. I've already kind of started, but we're going to go show you here. It just lost a little pressure, it kicked on. So I just washed my car, my pickup here. I mean, the paint on the truck's not great, so I don't know how well it washed. And it's still drying off. I don't think it did a great job, but that's part of the reason I got it. And I've got a curved wand on order, so I can do an underspray because the road salt they put down up here in the Northeast. But anyway, I can show you what I've kind of already started over here. So this is the north side of the house, so it doesn't get a whole lot of sun, and especially in this corner. So you can see here where I've done a little bit and where I haven't. It's very noticeable. I've done the whole top 3 or 4, little lattices here. So I did the bottom here on the footing, and it cleaned it up pretty well. So this thing is, so far, it's really good. It's not a whole lot of PSI, but I'm not asking it to do a whole lot. I didn't really want to get a gasoline one just because the maintenance on it, and I don't need to use it a whole lot, and I thought the price point on this was really good. I bought it where I work, so I get an employee discount, so I got it a little less than MSRP, but I think that's $179.95 plus tax, which if you look around at Lowe's, Home Depot, that kind of stuff, it's actually a really good deal for a really good name brand. German engineering, you can't really beat that. So it does have a couple of different nozzles. This one's just your standard fan. This one here, though, probably won't be able to hear me talking, but this one uses like a rotating motion, which I'll demonstrate here. Which, as you can see, works really well. It's just picking that right off. Another one that I left over here from washing the car. You put, it's like a soap dispenser. So you put whatever in, and then you hook it into this side and it shoots the soap out, which is kind of nice. Over here, I just picked some of this up, which I probably should have been using on this, but I just kind of started and didn't realize. So there'll be no review on this because obviously I'm not going to be using any of it because this is working so well without it. But so yeah, so far so good. I'm really happy with it. The little twirly one I just used right here a couple minutes ago actually tore up that wood pretty good. So I wouldn't want to get this thing too much on paint. At least with that twirly bird one. The fan one, who knows? Haven't tried it yet. But yeah, so far as advertised. Really liking it so far, and I'll keep you updated. All right, take care.